This is a look at the genuine Mansfield rebuild kit for the model 3120, 3121, 3122, 3125, 3173, 3174, and 3165 tanks. It comes with the tank to bowl kit, which has the nuts, the bolts, gasket, and then the handle also comes with it. This is the 31 chrome trip lever. It comes with the nut and the lever itself. The 228 flush valve, which comes complete with the flapper, which has the chain and hook on that. And the 2206 fill valve, which comes with the replenish tube. Of course, it's adjustable here, the float's adjustable. It comes with the nut and the gasket also. And once again, this is the genuine Mansfield tank rebuild kit for the 3100 model toilet tanks.